What's going on, YouTube? We back with another one. Today, getting crispy with the Crispy King. I'm gonna show you guys how to be different today. I'll show you guys how to be different. My boy needed a cut, so we're gonna get that boy a taper. We're gonna start off one guard all the way open. We just debulking. As you can see in his head, he got different hair growth patterns. So whichever direction that hair grows, and he got waves. That's the way we're gonna go. We're going with the grain, one guard all the way open, knock down a lot of that bulk, especially right here. This is where it gets a little crazy in this area. And then he's got an indentation too, so you gotta be careful. Go wherever the hair takes you. Keep a brush, keep a comb, lay the hair down, knock that bulk down, make sure it's all even, and we good to go. Then we're gonna hit them with some hairspray. This is gonna freeze their hair. This is very important, especially at the end of the video, because we're gonna give them a part. So that's a real important part with that spritz. It's gonna keep the hair from moving whenever it's time to go into that bulk. We're gonna go deep into that bulk. Pause. We're gonna go deep into that bulk though. Right here, we just balding out. And then we're gonna hit them with a no guard all the way open, as you can see right there. We're gonna go up about an inch, and you see all that debris. We're gonna brush it off. We want to keep the canvas real nice and clean, real nice and simple. And then we're gonna move on the half guard all the way open, and then we just gonna flick out that heavy weight right there. And the higher I go up, I'm just gonna, as you can see me, start to tilt the corner and just use the corner of the blade to start feathering. And behind the ear right here, this is called the claw method. Claw method just helps you lay the hair down a lot better. It makes it a lot more smoother. As you can see, I claw method into a one open, and it didn't make it any less darker. It just laid the hair down much more smooth. And we're gonna keep that half guard on, go straight to the second notch. From there, nothing but detail work. We doing nothing but detailing from here on out. On this temple, on this side fade right here. See, hit, brush, hit, brush, hit, brush. Nothing but the corners. Now remember, we are fading from a bald line all the way up into a one guard open, which is basically a 1.5. So if you get your feather technique down, you can literally blend from a bald line all the way into a 1.5 by just hitting the dark spots, tilting that clipper properly. As you can see, I'm just feathering out. We detailing. This ain't nothing but detail. Even behind the ear. We know down back there behind the ear, that's one of the hardest spots to get. It'll definitely throw the whole fade off. It'll throw your video off. It'll throw your pictures off. It'll throw your mood off. When you see your client walking out the door and you got that real black dark spot behind the ear, you be ready to punch the mirror like, I really just missed that one spot. So we're not gonna skip that. We're gonna move that ear out of the way. And we're gonna hit all them dark spots. Look, let's get that ear out of the way. Hold on, I see something else. Let's get that ear out of the way though. We're gonna hit right, yep, yes sir. Don't be scared to move that ear. Man, side taper done. We're going right back, right to the back. Same steps, ball line, no guard open, half guard open. And we're gonna rub out the dark spots. Nothing but detail work from here. I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all watch this. This is real time, not real time, it's sped up, but there's no edit. So I'm not chopping out any part of the entire back fade. So you're gonna see it from the beginning of the ball line all the way through to when it's completely faded. And you're gonna see I didn't use nothing but the half guard to debulk, to blend, to feather. It cut down time. The back only took me 7 minutes to do. The left taper only took me 8 minutes to do. Right taper only took me 8 minutes to do. You do the math. Knock out the edge up, what you're gonna see as well. We got a full haircut in 35, 40 minutes. Really 30. It took me a little bit longer because of the video, but 30-minute haircuts, You knock down all them steps. You skip throwing on the 1 guard. You skip throwing on the 1.5 guard. And you go straight to detail work. Only snapping on the half guard from the ball line all the way up to the 1.5 with just detailing and feathering. Man, it'll cut down so much time. And when you're doing nothing but detailing, your videos or your fades just come out much better, to me. And y'all know it's different when you got some hitters. And these right here, these things punch. These things punch. I'm talking about tapping and going. Crazy. Crazy. Look at the fade. Nothing but detail work. Nothing but feathering. Throwing that pencil, and we're gonna detail just a little bit more and bow. That's it. Fade is done. Edge up is crispy. And this is where we're gonna start going into that part. Now again, the hold spray was very important because now when I'm ready to attack this part, the hair just absolutely melts. Absolutely melts. The hairline absolutely melted. And then I like to throw the hairspray on before I start detailing, before I start fading, because especially for those barbers that don't have a blow dryer, if you throw the spritz on there or if you throw the hairspray on there first, it will naturally dry while you're in the detailing process. So whenever you're ready to hit that edge up, it's already dried, it's already held, and it's ready to go. And you can see right there, just melt it off. I don't even need no enhancements for that edge up, but I'm gonna do it because it's for a better look. It's that Instagram look, that YouTube tutorial look, and then also it's the new school, man. We in a new generation, so them barbers that like that extra pop, what you gonna see, it definitely is gonna make it extra pop. That's what the enhancement's for. I put the enhancement card at the top and sprayed the lineup because I would prefer the overspray to land on the front of the edge up rather than in that part area. So once I hit them with that hot sauce, this is gonna help me remove any overspray. It's gonna crispen up that line, and then it's gonna allow me to move that pencil over to create that razor effect without having to use a razor blade. This is important, especially for the new barbers that aren't quite into using a razor blade or scared or running from the razor right now, who isn't confident enough to use a razor blade. You can still create that, if you see right there, that razor blade look without using a razor, with just a pencil and some type of disinfectant, some type of aftershave. You spray it on there, slide that pencil over with some hitters, and you're good to go. These hitters right here are crazy. Shout out to Filthy Mods. This mod put in the Babba's blade on the Andes trimmer has stepped my game up insanely different. Because these things, ergonomically, after I modified them, can do anything. And you see, they absolutely punch. Look at the fade. Look at the edge up. Look at the line. Tap and go. Look at that angle. Sheesh. Sheesh. Y'all seen the detail work. It don't take too much. We gotta stop wasting time snapping on all of those guards. Look at this angle. Detail work. That feathering technique gonna get you a long way. You see, edge up look like I used a razor blade on it. Never even put out a razor on this. That fade is crazy. Enhancements make the edge up pop. We're gonna clean them up. Gonna hit them with some shears. Clean up that excess hair. Hit you with a couple different angles. Clean my mans off. And we're gonna spray them down with the hot sauce that's gonna smell good. It's gonna disinfect. And we're gonna get the nod of approval right here. Look, my boy wanted to bite his lip. Got his tongue sticking out. Ooh, my boy crazy. Y'all saw what he looked like when he walked in. Y'all saw that boy. Yes, sir. And we about to be different. My boy it got crispy. Came to saw crispy, and he left crispy. Look at that. Sheesh. Shout out to my boy Kendall for coming to see me, man. Salute. We're gonna see y'all next time. Peace.